to my channel. I'm Rosie from the D, the 313. This is a new YouTube channel and I am new to YouTube. Welcome everybody. I'm so excited. I've been waiting so long to do a mukbang channel. So as you can tell from the title, this is my introduction video, my very first video. Yay! I'm so excited. I'm so happy. So, as you can see, you can't see, I have food and I'm going to introduce the food and tell you what I have. Okay, so I have Coney Island. These are chili fries and cheese with grilled onions on top. And I also have two loose burgers. I have loose burgers instead of Coney dogs because I don't like hot dogs. So I just got loose burgers and it looks the same. It just doesn't have the hot dog in the bun. So as you probably guessed it by now, I am from Detroit, Michigan. Yay! And that's where my name comes from as well. Let me get a piece of paper towel. That's where my name comes from as well. Rosie from the D, the 313. So I'll get more into that. Okay, I think I need to take a thumbnail. So I'll take a thumbnail. I don't know if this done. Very clumsy, guys. Okay, that's the best I can do right now. Okay, so let's get started. Let me give you guys another look at this loose burger. Delish. Again, this is from Coney Island, which is a staple. Let me give you a look at the chili fries with cheese with grilled onions. Coney Island is a staple of Detroit. So if you ever come to Detroit, Michigan, you have to go to Coney Island. There's no certain Coney Island that you have to go to. They're all the same. They're just different names. They just have different names, but they all make the same food. Some of the things are different. Some of them carry different like stuff on the menu, but for the most part, your Coney dogs and your chili cheese fries is all going to be the same. And yeah. So let's get started. Where's my fork? Okay, which should I taste first? Okay, let's get into the chili cheese fries first. I'll give you guys a taste. How does that look? Delicious. So good. I have my ketchup. You gotta have ketchup. Awesome. Let's take another bite with the ketchup, guys. This is so good. I am so hungry. I have been waiting all day to do this video for you guys. So I haven't eaten anything. It's so good. And for you people that live in Detroit, I know you've probably tried it. The chili cheese fries with the grilled onions. Awesome. It's so good. Okay, now I'm gonna try the loose burger. kind of sloppy, messy. So I'm gonna pick it up. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be horrible. I don't know, guys. I don't even know how to pick this up. You know what? I might have to just cut it. I don't know. Use my fork. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use my fork because this is gonna fall apart. So yeah, it's just the chili with the cheese and the onions, ketchup. Sorry, ketchup, onions, and mustard, and a bun, hot dog bun. So good. This was so good, guys. That's the hamburger or the chili. This is so good. Okay, I'll take one bite. Then I'll introduce myself to you guys. This is so good. I'm sorry, I know I said I was gonna take one more bite, but okay. Gotta get a drink. Detroit staple. FAYGO. Can't have Coney Island without having a FAYGO. This is the peach kind. FAYGO is a Detroit staple factory here in Detroit on the east side. Oh, this is peach. Guys, so good. Woo! This is so good. Okay. I think I'll leave this right here so y'all can see it. Okay. I'm from Detroit. Okay, so the name of my channel is Rosie from the D to 313. So you can call me Rosie from the D. So how did I get the name? My name is Rose. Well, that's partially my name, but my name is Rose, so that's where Rosie comes from. The D, of course, it comes from Detroit, and 313 is Detroit's area code. So Rosie from the D to 313. That's how I got my name. I gotta eat some more of this. What else? I'm from Detroit, Michigan. Like I said, grew up and raised in Detroit all my life. Have never lived out of Michigan. Love it here. What else? Live on the east side of Detroit. I grew up on the east side. Excuse me. I grew up on the east side. I think when I was little, I lived on the west side for a short period of time, but ended up moving. My family ended up moving back to the east side of Detroit. Love the east side of Detroit. What else? I have 3 siblings. I have a sister and 2 brothers. I have 2 kids, or a son and a daughter. I have a 21-year-old daughter and a 9-year-old son. I'm divorced and I'm single. Ready to mingle. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, but I'm divorced and single. Whatever, guys. I don't know what else do you guys want to know about me. Leave it in the comments if there's something I'm missing that you want to know about me. I did, so I told you my name was Rose. So if you see me in the streets, just say, hey, that's Rosie from the D. What's up? What else? I'm gonna catch up. I don't know where else, guys. I don't know what else. I'm just gonna eat. Anyway, I got this from Valentino's Coney Island near my house. Like I said, most of the Coney Islands, well, yeah, most of the Coney Islands, they're all the same. They serve the same food. They may have a few different things on their menu from the other ones, but for the most part, all Coney Islands sell the same thing. And in Detroit, you can find a Coney Island on every corner in the city of Detroit, just like you can a liquor store. So, I mean, we don't have any shortages of Coney Islands. And Detroit, Coney Islands are known for staying open 24 hours a day. So after you leave the club or leave the bar and you feeling like you hungry and you need a snack, you know a Coney Island is gonna be open somewhere. Yeah. So you have an option of drive through, walk in. Then on the other hand, you have to also be careful going to Coney Islands at weird hours of the day. So like if you're getting out of the club 1 or 2 in the morning, you need to be careful, of course. That's anywhere you go at that time of night. Yeah, but they have so many options, so many things you can. I mean, it's like it doesn't matter what time of the day you can order anything. It can be 3 o'clock in the afternoon. You can order breakfast if you want. Y'all, this peach pop is the shit. This is my favorite out of all the FAYGO pops. If you're from the South, I know y'all call it soda because I have family in the South and they call it soda. But here in the North, we call it pop. What are you guys eating today? Let me know. Put it in the comments. I'm not gonna finish this. Oh yeah, you have when you get your chili fries, you have the option of what is this? What is it? Square cheese or squeezed cheese? I like the squeezed cheese. And when I say squeezed cheese, it comes in a bottle and you just squeeze it on your fries or your whatever. And if you say square cheese, I'm assuming it's the square cheese. You just lay it flat on the fries and it melts. I've never had square cheese though. Yeah, guys. I'm trying to think what else can I tell you guys. I don't know. I don't want to tell you guys too much right now about me. I don't know. Put it in the comments, like I said. If there's anything you want to know about me, anything I should do in my videos that you want to know about the city of Detroit. I love my city, guys. Even though, oh, excuse me, pig. You may hear things on the news about how bad the city is. Detroit is like any other major city. It's like any other major city. It's no worse. It's no better. So, it's so good. Also, if you can put in your comments for me things you would like to see me eat or try. Yeah, so I plan to come on here every day, guys. If not every day, mostly every day. And eat with you guys. And the purpose of me starting this mukbang channel is to be able to come into your homes and eat dinner, lunch, breakfast with you all every day. And it's just a way for me to gain friends and just become a part of the mukbang family. I'm not sure what else. Guys, I'm so nervous. I'm not sure what else to talk about. My very first video, I'm a nervous wreck. I don't know. This is so good. Okay, guys. Yeah. I wouldn't have been able to pick this up with my hand. It's so sloppy, but it's so good. And I'm getting full. Okay. So guys, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video because I'm nervous. I don't know what to say. I'm not a big talker. So I was wondering, am I up to doing mukbangs? I'm not, or YouTube period, because I'm not a big talker. I'm very shy. I'm very quiet. I don't know, guys. This is so good. I can't even put this down. Like I said, this is what you call a loose burger. It's the same thing as a Coney Island. It's the same thing as a Coney. It just doesn't have the hot dog because I don't like hot dogs. And it's just the chili, onions with the bun, and then I have ketchup and mustard on here. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to finish this. Look at all this, guys. Just pure goodness. And this is a large chili cheese fry. Oh my God, on my stomach. Okay. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. So, I ask that you please give me a chance. Come back Don't criticize me right now. I'm nervous. This is my first video. I'm not much of a talker. I like to eat though, as you can tell. So, come back to and watch another video. I plan to do a lot of Detroit-based restaurants and let you guys see what I'm eating. And excuse me, just give me a chance. Come back if you like. Just subscribe. What do you say? Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell. And yeah, thank you for your time, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Detroit love. Bye.